Azure Synapse DevOps integration is a crucial aspect of modern data warehousing and analytics. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of integrating Azure Synapse with DevOps practices, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, it is essential to understand the importance of DevOps in Azure Synapse. DevOps is a set of practices that combines software development and IT operations to improve the speed and quality of software releases. In Azure Synapse, DevOps enables you to manage and monitor your data warehouse and analytics pipeline more efficiently. To integrate Azure Synapse with DevOps, you need to set up a few key components. These include Azure DevOps, Azure Synapse Workspace, and a Git repository. Azure DevOps provides a suite of services to support DevOps practices, while Azure Synapse Workspace is the core component of Azure Synapse. A Git repository is used to store and manage your code. Once you have set up these components, you can start implementing DevOps practices in Azure Synapse. One of the key practices is continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. This involves automating the build, test, and deployment of your code changes. In Azure Synapse, you can use Azure DevOps pipelines to automate the deployment of your data warehouse and analytics pipeline. Another essential practice is version control. Version control allows you to manage and track changes to your code. In Azure Synapse, you can use Git to manage your code and track changes. This enables you to collaborate with other team members and maintain a record of all changes. Best practices for Azure Synapse DevOps integration include using a modular approach to your data warehouse and analytics pipeline. This involves breaking down your pipeline into smaller, independent components, each with its own set of code and configuration. This approach makes it easier to manage and maintain your pipeline. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor and log your pipeline. This involves using tools such as Azure Monitor and Azure Log Analytics to track performance and identify issues. By monitoring and logging your pipeline, you can quickly identify and resolve issues, improving the overall quality and reliability of your data warehouse and analytics pipeline. In conclusion, Azure Synapse DevOps integration is a critical aspect of modern data warehousing and analytics. By following the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices outlined in this guide, you can improve the speed and quality of your data warehouse and analytics pipeline. Remember to use a modular approach, monitor and log your pipeline, and implement continuous integration and continuous deployment to get the most out of Azure Synapse DevOps integration.